In this video, you're going to learn how to make your own Play-Doh, or let's call it modeling clay to not get any copyright infringements. Hello everybody, my name is Jeanette Gennaro. I'm a mother of two, soon to be three, and I'm the creator of The Naked Formula, a wellness education program to help simplify every area of your life, including parenthood. In this video, we're going to discuss how to make your own modeling compound for your kids. Now, this is great for a couple reasons. First of all, it's non-toxic. Second of all, if you need some Play-Doh or some modeling compound in a pinch, chances are you're going to have all the ingredients you need to make this in your pantry. And thirdly, I'm not sure how to phrase that. The third reason why I love this recipe is because it's very zero waste or low waste friendly. You can find these ingredients at the bulk bin section of your grocery store or at a refill station if you're lucky enough to have one of those in your city. My baby bump is totally in the way. This is my first time, so you guys can learn with me. Okay, so we've got, that was only 1 cup. Let me add 1 more cup. Sifting this probably would be a good idea. Let me go ahead and at least sift the second cup. Okay. It's my dog in the background. She's a Chihuahua. She doesn't approve of much things. She probably doesn't approve of me being in the kitchen and it not resulting in food for her. Okay, so we have our 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of salt, and then 4 tablespoons of cream of tartar. So tablespoons. Grab some of this that's on the countertop. Okay, so those are all the dry ingredients. I'm gonna mix these up so all the dry ingredients are already combined once I add the water. Okay, before I add the water to this, I'm going to grab a bigger mixing bowl. Okay, that's a little better. Pretty sure 2 cups of water would have made that overflow. Let me just quickly dump this through here. Oof, this is gonna make me sneeze. Two cups of lukewarm water. All right, 1 cup. I told you that was going to make you sneeze. And 2 cups. I'm going to grab a spatula to just start combining the ingredients. Almost forgot, you're going to add vegetable oil, and I read that coconut oil works as well, but I'm going to go ahead and try that. I'm going to go ahead and try it the way that the original recipe says. Great. I'm going to add a link in the description so you can see the original recipe for yourself. Okay, so once this is all mixed in, I'm going to cook it over medium heat. I love spatulas. Yeah, once you add the oil, you can already see that it's starting to thicken a little bit. I don't know if thicken is the right word, but it's kind of just holding together all of that flour and salt. Okay. I'm going to transfer this over to a pot. This is bothering me. There. Much better. See why I love spatulas? You can just get every last little bit. Okay, place this on the stove top. The heat is at medium. I'm going to constantly stir until the mixture becomes a ball. Bottom is definitely starting to clump up. This board, which I covered with wax paper, and I'm going to pour the mixture onto the bowl to allow it to cool off. So I'm not sure if you could see that on the camera, but there's some steam coming up off of that. Definitely not ready for us to handle. Yeah, I think I can poke it, but you won't be able to hold it in your hand for very long. It's still kind of hot. All right, so I'm going to let that cool off. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's been about 5 minutes, and I can handle it a little bit more, but still a bit too warm, I'd say, to handle for too long. I'm going to flatten it out a little bit to help disperse that heat. There we go. This will help it cool off. Alright, so at 6 minutes, it's still warm, but it's not uncomfortable for me to handle. So you're going to knead it as you would knead dough. There's some inconsistencies there, but it's definitely starting to come together. go ahead and take a piece of it and see how it handles. Very cool. Very cool. At this point, you can go ahead and break off different pieces if you would like to add a drop of food coloring in the center of those to change the color. I might actually do that because this is a lot. This is enough for me to make some different colors for the months ahead and still have enough for the projects I have in mind for September and October. This has been so much fun. I hope you guys have fun with this project as well. And it turned out exactly how I thought it would. Well, I have a lot more than I expected, but that's okay because I'm going to go ahead and make some different colors. But hopefully you have success with this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, or just let me know if you tried this out, how it worked out for you. But I love it. Homemade, using ingredients that you may already have in your home, and you can store it in your own container. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.